Well, it's Christmas time at TW Controls. I got some aluminum extrusion from Framing Tech, and I got a magic box from YRG Inc. And we're gonna put them together into a trainer. Now, we already have a video showing how cool it is to assemble parts from Framing Tech. So I'm not gonna do that, but I do wanna highlight a few things as I'm unboxing them. And the big one is the packing slip. Although that seems like that wouldn't be a big one. If it's like the last one that I got from them, then yeah, we got a packing slip. It says 1 TW robot trainer delivered. Oh, now you know what I'm getting ready to build. But then I did not make these drawings. We kind of gave them the overall concept, and they detailed this out down to all the hardware that is needed for it. And it comes with the instructions of exactly how to put it together. I said I was going to put it together, but I felt like Mary Bruce really wanted to put it together. So we'll just come in and check occasionally and see how smooth it's going. So far, only heard mild cussing, so good job, Framing Tech. It seems to be going together nicely. Well, look at there. That seemed to work really nicely. So how was the assembly, Mary Bruce?
This was amazing. The diagram that we got and also how many pieces of hardware, everything fit together perfectly. I've read a lot of diagrams and nothing makes me happier than a diagram from Framing Tech.
Yeah, because I think a lot of times, we get into the habit that we have to do it ourselves. And here's a good example. We could have chopped some aluminum up. We could have done a bunch of back and forth to hardware stores, but it all comes in here together. Now, I did think it was going to be taller than it is, but I wonder how heavy it is. So I really wasn't expecting it to be that portable, but they did a good job of keeping the weight down. And if you didn't know it, then yes, there is going to be a Yamaha robot on top of it.
Okay, Michael, it's time for you to go night-night. Get in your kennel, honey. Hey, I'll see you in the morning. I'll let you out.